Greetings, Marlbone here. Welcome to part 2, formatting Microsoft Word document, part 2, yes. So in part 1, we look at how we can open the document and save it and all that. But here in part 2, we're going to be looking at how we can actually do some basic stuff, right? So this is actually a continuation from part 1, right? So if you notice so far, it's a copy and paste the document, cut and paste the document. So that you might not know the difference between cut and a copy, right? So drag and drop the document. Yes, so we're going to learn all of that. Rename the document, because sometimes maybe in the document I name it a wrong name. I want to name it the correct name. I want to show exactly how you're going to rename that. How to use the ribbon display option. Yes, very important. Right there. All right, so we're going to get started. Right, so the first thing that you wanted to do, definitely. Here you go. This itself is a document. All right, so if you notice the first thing that it said, you must copy and paste the document. Remember, some more in order for you to copy and paste the document, you make sure you put the cursor on it. So if you're using a desktop computer, you know, so you press the left side of the mouse. If you're using a laptop, just hold on, just right click on it. Right, if you notice when you right click on it, come all the way down here, that's a copy, you're going to click on the copy. You're going to put it anywhere that you want it to paste it, you're going to right click, and then you're going to paste it just like that. Alright, you're going to put the cursor on it, you're going to right click, go down to the bottom, there you see the word copy, click on the word copy, you put it anywhere you want it to paste it, you're going to right click again and bring up this small diagram box, you're going to click on the word paste, and there you go. So that's where you copy and paste. Alright, the next thing you want to look at is cut and paste the document. Alright, so cut and paste the document. So we're going to cut and paste the document. Alright, you're going to come right here, put the cursor on the document, you're going to right click, going to go right down here. Notice this is the word cut. You're going to click on the word cut. So you're going to put it right over here. And we want to put it and click on the word paste. Notice, right? Right click again, cook, and you come right here. So you paste. The difference between cut and paste and copy and paste. When you copy, you actually duplicate it. When you cut, you actually move it. Yes. So the next thing we want to look at is what drag and drop. What do you drag and drop? You're going to put the cursor on it like that. If you're using a desktop computer, you're going to hold on the left side. If you're using a laptop, you're going to hold on the left side of the touchpad. You're going to drag it to your right. This is how you drag it. Put the mouse on it, hold on the left side of the mouse at the touchpad. You can drag it anywhere you want to put it. That's all you do, drag and drop. But what if you want to drag all three one time? Alright, you put the cursor anywhere over here, right down here. Hold on the left side of the mouse, and then you're going to block everything. Now when you block everything, you put the cursor on one, hold on again, you can come like this, and everything move one time. So that's really drag and drop on one time, right here. Right, so the next thing that you want to look at is you got the ribbon, use the ribbon display option. Yes, so definitely want to look at that, because that is a very critical area. So in order for me to see it, I have to open one of these documents. So open the document is very important. Right, and right up here, because right up here, this is what they call the display ribbon. You notice right here, they put the cursor on it, it actually show. When you click on it, you notice right here, say auto hide, right, and it says a show tab, right, you show tab, and right here says show tab and command. If I click on auto hide, you notice when you look up here, so you notice you don't see nothing, you don't see no tab at all. Sometimes you might see this and maybe wonder, where's the tab? The only thing that you have to do is come to your right here, you notice this field for that, just click on it, and notice, see come now, but as soon as you come like that, you gone again. If you come here, click on it now, right, you come right here, and come and say show to tab. Notice it's only show the tab alone, so you don't know exactly where to find what, you don't know where, so you can actually come back again right here. When you click, you say right here show command and all that. So you notice, show everything. So if you click on this one, it display this just the same. Right, so in case if I'm when you find you don't have it, just simply come right here. So right, it's a ribbon display option, and that's exactly how you actually do that. So thanks for watching. See you in part 3.